These are the 3 trash bags we filled with bits and pieces of trash from a tiny island less than 1,000 square meter. This is the island, a very small island in Lawaan, Eastern Samar. Less than 10 trees standing here. Few of them has been toppled down due to denudation of the shoreline. As you will see, if there's a big wave pounding the seashore, this white sand is being washed away by the strong waves. Okay, very nice, fine white sand. Okay, so you will see the shoreline. Seldom being visited. Okay, few coconut trees. Okay, you will see a small guardhouse there. The town authorities stationed 1 personnel to oversee this tiny island. You will see the fallen trees. Okay, some more coconut trees. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 more here. Okay, this is near denudation. The white sand will be washed away sooner due to big waves. Okay, and okay.